Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia attorney and I specialize in helping injured workers with their workers' compensation claims. Today I want to talk to you about your choice of doctors after you get hurt at work. In Georgia, which doctor you can choose to treat your injury is generally controlled by what's called a panel of physicians. A panel of physicians is a list of workers' compensation doctors. Your employer should have it posted at the office where you work or the business location. It should be posted in what's called prominent places. Basically, it needs to be a place where you can see it. Most of the time, your employer may post it on a bulletin board, maybe by the time clock, or where they post other documents that they're required to post by law, like the minimum wage information. Now, what you want to do when you get hurt is you want to find out who's on that panel of physicians. The panel of physicians should generally include at least 6 doctors if your employer has what's called a traditional panel of physicians. Some employers use a WC/MCO, which works different than that, but that's pretty rare. So you would expect your employer's list of workers' compensation doctors to have at least the names of 6 doctors on it. At least one of those doctors should be an orthopedic specialist. Now, what you can do is get a copy of that list because you have several rights under the panel of physicians. One, you have a right to pick a doctor off of that list to be your authorized treating physician. Your authorized treating physician is your main workers' compensation doctor. It's a doctor who usually makes determinations about whether you can go back to work or not and whether you need referrals to another specialist. So that doctor has a very important role in your case. You also have the right, if you become unhappy with the doctor you picked off the panel of physicians, to change one time to a different doctor on that panel of physicians. So you want to be sure and get a copy of that panel of physicians so you have it for later. Whether you get a Xerox copy of the document, or maybe you want to take a picture of it with your phone, just so that you can look back to it later if you need to. I hope you found this information about the panel of physicians helpful. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up on YouTube. There are some other rules about the panel of physicians, so if you do have other questions about it, I'd be happy to talk to you about it for free. You can reach out to me to set up a free consultation through our website that's on the screen, or by calling me at 770-214-8885. Thanks for watching today.